Well, where are we going today?
We're going, let's see some whales. Hopefully.
Potentially.
We're gonna see whales. I'll be so disappointed if we don't.
We are guaranteed. If not, then they'll put us on another tour another day.
We're gonna see whales today. We won't even have to worry about that. We're super excited. Hopefully while we're driving, or I guess boating out to sea, we'll see even some dolphins or some other cool things on our way out there. Because we're going out to the middle of the ocean. That's where we're gonna go see some whales. Yeah.
See you on the boat.
Made it to our
Destination.
our destination for the whale watching tour. We're just here. Now it's just a matter of looking for which pier we need to go to and find our boat. So what just happened?
Well, apparently the boat tour that we were supposed to go on, the boat stopped running. So then they migrated us onto another boat, which is a catamaran, a longer tour. Plus there's snorkeling and an open bar.
So essentially what happened, we got upgraded
to $1 million boat.
Oh, no way.
Every year, 10,000 humpback whales return to Hawaii. Yeah, there is a dolphin right in front of the whale. Right there. Just came up. A whale.
Wow. 2 of them. It's amazing.
So for those of you guys that don't know, these guys migrate down from Alaska every year. They're here to either mate or give birth. So if the female mated last season, this season she'll give birth, or vice versa. So.
After being hunted to near extinction, they were afforded international protection. Alright. We're about to go snorkeling.
Yeah. This is gonna be sweet. We're not expected to do this.
This is so clear. Absolutely beautiful. What was that? Blow out really hard. Yeah. guys, their little taco things don't get as long, as you can tell. You guys will hold it, Pretty cool. It's actually edible too. It's a Japanese sushi dish called uni. Yeah, you guys can pass it around if you guys want. You just gotta be careful with it if you can't, so it's stick in your hand.
It's gonna die.
Both of us. Okay.
You ready?
Okay, go.
Showing your Canadian.
I lost it.
That was incredible.
That was amazing.
We got to see whales, dolphins, and we went snorkeling. I saw a pod of dolphins
Oh
and
my
a
goodness,
bunch
the
of
spinners. They're like this big. They're like little dolphins, and we saw so many of them.
A bunch of them just
Oh.
swam right in front of the
It
boat,
was phenomenal.
and they were basically just following the whales too. Like we saw a lot
Those
of whales.
whales, we saw about 4 or 5 different whales all at once. Phenomenal. That was, as my Arabic friends say, a mea, which means 100 out of 100. So it's 100%. They're just saying it's really good. A mea. That's.
I think this is definitely a trip or an experience of a lifetime, as they say.
Yeah, that's worth
And
it.
it really worked out in our favor with going on
Oh,
this
went on
catamaran.
going on the catamaran was way better than going on the other thing. I mean, the other one was a whale watching boat, but this one, this is the luxury one, right? This one has they made the bar open, so they have the open bar.
Open bar.
There's snacks. It's a much calmer ride. Being on a catamaran means that it's like way smoother when you're out there. Phenomenal. 10 out of 10. I feel so blessed.
I think we're gonna grab some food now.
Yeah. And I gotta use the restroom. They're all locked right now.
Oh.
So I gotta find something else.
We are at Kaneohe sandbar in the middle of the ocean. Super cool. The water, we're just in the middle of the ocean, and the water is just below our knees. You can walk around on here. And if you come at the right time, you can come here, and this is just sand. It's just a beach in the middle of the ocean. We're gonna do some paddle boarding and some snorkeling. Right now we're paddle boarding. This is the best snorkeling we've done on this trip, and I know we probably keep saying, oh, the last time was better, the last time was this, like, this really was the best.
Yeah.